Alrighty guys, well, as you can see, I'm drenched in sweat. It is super humid today, super hot, so I'm miserable right now. I've got my my little work fan that I usually use is inside because I had a little bit of an AC problem. I had to clean out the coils, so I've got my fan in there trying to help cool everything back down since I had the condenser units off. But it is unbelievably hot. So anyway, as always, thank you for joining me in the workshop again. Today we're going to be doing some more work on this knife, and this is going to be part 3 of this little EDC build. I just pulled off my scales from the saran wrap. These are the ones we glued up in the last episode, so I think they look pretty cool. This might be like the only time that you'll ever see me without a bandana or a hat on or anything on my head. I never do anything outside without a hat on. The only time I don't have a hat is when I'm like in the house sleeping. So this is the only time that you're going to see me like this, but it's just too hot. I can't take it. I'm in a kilt, still sweating my stuff off. So yeah. On to the drill press, my friends. Alright, I call that a success. I think there we go. That's how that's gonna look. I think it's time for my new best friend, the bandsaw. Here's where we're at, and I think that's looking pretty cool. We gotta clean up our front butts, and then we can glue up. Got a nice clean front butt. The reason I did that is because once you go into your glue up and you get it all glued up, it is really hard to get these front edges without screwing up the finish on your knife. So keep that in mind. Alright, I had to take a quick break, get something to eat, and I had to get my fan. It's just too hot. I'm just out here soaked in sweat and disgusting. So that being said, we're at the final stretch. We'll continue this in this video. I'm not going to end it here, but I do have to end for today. So tomorrow when I come back, we'll finish this video. And I'm going to go ahead right now. We're going to glue this up, get it ready to go. And then I come back tomorrow, we'll finish up this handle, get everything nice and sharp, and we'll have a finished knife. There we have it. So I'm gonna let this cure, and then we'll come back at it tomorrow and finish up that handle. Alright, we're at the final stages of this build, so I'm just going to get cracking at it right away. So this is where we're at. We've got to take these pins down and shape out the handle, and it is hot as hell right now. Not so hot, super humid though, so I'm just pouring sweat, but we're going to do it. It's going to be good, and we'll get this thing finished up today. Alright, so that wraps this one up. I'm calling this one complete. I might have to have my buddy help me with a sheath for it, but other than that, I'm calling this one done. I'm going to do this as part of a I really like that orange in there. I'm going to do this as part of like an EDC set, so my wife's actually going to make some paracord stuff to go with it. I did a matching little bead. It's not a very good bead, it's my first one. So don't judge me too harshly on it. So we got the knife and the matching bead, and that's that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Check me out on Instagram as usual, check me out on Patreon, check the Etsy store, and please like and subscribe. That's the big one. So as always, thank you for watching. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you guys in the next video.